advent of Magento 2.4.4 and subsequent versions embracing PHP 8, we are poised to leverage the innovative constructor property promotion feature introduced in PHP 8. This powerful feature streamlines our coding efforts significantly. Traditionally, the practice involved declaring a class property separately and then initializing it within the constructor. Constructor property promotion elegantly condenses these two-step processes. First, I will remove this one. And I will remove this also, and just add here private, and that's all. By simply specifying the properties visibility within the constructor's parameters, we achieve the same outcome more succinctly. This refined approach retains the original functionality while minimizing the code footprint. For enhanced reliability, especially when dealing with numerous dependencies, it is advisable to format constructor arguments with line breaks like this. PHP 8 further enhances this by allowing a trailing comma in the argument list, reducing the potential for version control conflicts. Embracing constructor property promotion in new Magento development projects is something I advocate strongly for. The efficiency and clarity it brings to the code are invaluable. Please, if you like the video, like and subscribe. See you next lesson.